Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. Today I am going to show you a little bullet journal hack of just taping the edge of your book so that you're able to see a page really kind of stand out from the side. Okay, so if you can see here, I've got kind of this green kind of colorful edge along this page. I've also got a couple dividers, but this edge is what I'm talking about. So that in this journal for right now signifies that, like I remember, that it signifies my gratitude tracker. So it's actually, if I fold it open, I've got these cute little kind of characters in and along the side, but I know that this is my gratitude tracker, and that's how I label an important date. So how did I do that? Really simple. You have to have a different color of tape, or you can use just a basic masking tape if you want to just make the edge a little bit colorful. We're gonna do both. So I'm gonna put my scissors over my book so that holds down. I'm gonna kind of go along the edge like this. I know I've got enough. I'm going to mark about half of the tape along that piece of paper, okay? And then I'm gonna fold it over one side. And then I'm gonna cut the edges off the tape. Oop. And I was pretty close on that one, so I don't need it. And now this one is not as obvious, but there is a definite feel difference to it. And actually in the right light, it kind of stands out. So maybe this is like a secret page that you don't really want most people to know about, but you kind of want it to stand out. If you want to do something that's a little bit more colorful, again, you would maybe have to invest in a piece of tape. I had this tape for, I love sending letters, and so I would put ridiculous stickers and tape over, cards that I would mail out. So again, I would pull it out to about the right size. I'm gonna lay the tape down over half of the edge of the piece of paper, and then I'm gonna cut the tape to match the length. Bye-bye, Mr. Owl. And then I'm gonna cut off a little bit of the squirrel, but don't worry, he's okay. Oop. Nothing's perfect in life, people. Okay, and now I can see I've got the edge on the other side. I'm just gonna fold that over. And here I've got it laid out. So there I can see kind of my cute little characters. I don't know what this page is signifying yet, but I know it's going to be an important one. When I close my book, I can see the edge of that piece of paper, and I can say, oh, okay, you know what? That's where I'm going to keep my favorite recipes that I love, or maybe just little notes that you want to write to yourself, or a page you want to doodle. So that's a really cool way to make a page kind of stand out among the rest.